10 Best Quotes of Quantum of Solace, 2008. Quantum of Solace is a 2008 film in which James Bond, seeking revenge for the death of his love, sets out to stop a member of the Quantum organization from taking control of a country's Casino Royale effectively appended this mythology and sought to establish a new identity for 007. Not only was he rewritten to be darker and more ruthless, but the transformation was made complete by the controversial casting of a blonde-haired, blue-eyed Daniel Craig, arguably less dashing than his predecessors but with a rugged face more suited for the brutal killer Bond would become. At the same time, Casino Royale retained a bit of charm, a pinch of humor, and enough of the familiar conventions that I had come to know and love as distinctly James Bond. Bond, name check, Dominic Green. Green Tanner, might need a little more than that. There are a lot of Dominic Greens. Do you have a social security number or a passport number? Bond, no. Leader, regimes change once a week down here. Medrano is no dirtier than the next guy. Bond, you see that's what I like about US intelligence, you lie down with anybody. Leader, including you, buddy. Bond, gesturing to Fields into the bedroom, I can't seem to find the stationery. Who the hell is this organization, Bond? How can they be everywhere and we know nothing about them? Bond, if you could avoid killing every possible lead, it would be deeply appreciated. I've heard that before. Bond's poignant lines. Sometimes the world isn't enough. Bond, reflecting on Vesper's death. Grant us revenge, and you will live to regret it. Bond. Villainous remarks. The world needs chaos to survive. Dominic Green. James Bond, I don't think the dead care about vengeance. I think you're so blinded by inconsolable rage that you don't care who you hurt. When you can't tell your friends from your enemies, it's time to go. James Bond, you don't have to worry about me. Camille Montes, I wish I could set you free, but your prison isn't there. Pointing to his head. James Bond, I never left. Bond, if you could avoid killing every possible lead, it would be deeply appreciated. James Bond, the name's Bond, James Bond. Mathis, she wants revenge. It keeps her alive. Camille Montes, how much do you know about Bond, Camille Montes? James Bond, I'm the safest bet you'll ever make.